Welcome back to Section 10. I am Rimi, your host. We have reached the final section of our Introduction Masterclass. You have done an incredible job staying with me from the very beginning. We have practiced your name, greetings, country, age, job, family, hobbies, daily routine, and your likes and dislikes. Now in this final section, we are going to do a full review. We are going to put every single piece together to make one big, beautiful, and perfect introduction. This will be your master copy that you can use whenever you meet someone new. Let us listen to the complete introduction first. I will speak slowly, and I want you to listen to how all the sentences connect together seamlessly. Listen to my voice. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rimi. I am 25 years old. I am from Bangladesh, and I live in Dhaka. I am a teacher, and I work in a school. There are 4 people in my family. I live with my parents and my brother. Every day, I wake up at 6 a.m., and I go to work at 8:30 a.m. In my free time, I like to read books and listen to music. I love sweet food, but I don't like spicy food. I am very happy to meet you all today. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Look at that. That is a long, detailed, and completely accurate introduction in English. It sounds professional, and it is entirely in a one-level English. Every sentence is short and easy to speak. Now let us practice this full master block together. I will say one sentence, and then I will pause for you to say it with your own information. Let us practice out loud. Ready? Rimi. Good morning. You. Rimi. My name is. You. My name is. Rimi. I am. Years old. You. I am. Years old. Rimi. I am from, and I live in. You. I am from, and I live in. Rimi. I am a. You. I am a. Rimi. There are. People in my family. You. There are. People in my family. Rimi. In my free time, I like to. You. In my free time, I like to. Rimi. I like, but I don't like. You. I like, but I don't like. Rimi. Nice to meet you. You. Nice to meet you. Wonderful. You just spoke a full paragraph in English all by yourself. Be very proud of your hard work. Learning a new language takes time, patience, and practice. By finishing all 10 sections today, you have proven that you can do it. Always remember the golden rules of introducing yourself. Stand straight, smile, look at the person, and speak slowly. You do not need to speak fast to sound smart. Speaking clearly is much more important. Thank you so much for listening to me today. Thank you for practicing with me. Keep practicing this script every day in front of a mirror until you feel completely confident. You are doing amazing, and I am so proud of you. Goodbye for now, my friends. Take care, and see you next time.